sorry, I don't have fruit. And this one is the SUAN SIRIKIT Park. It's just beside the Chatuchak market. Here the people can come to run, to have jogging, and when you are in the park jogging, you don't need to wear the mask, because of course it's unhealthy, because you need more oxygen and to breathe properly when you do exercise, when you run. And so I'm pretending I'm running now, because generally I walk really slow, and now I'm walking faster, so I don't need to wear the mask. Anyway, there is no one around me. It's just a park, you know. It's really green. A lot of people say to me always that in Bangkok there is no green, there is no parks, it's difficult to find a natural place. But I don't think so. There are a lot of parks, not everywhere of course, but enough. You see here? Oh, I'm thirsty. I want to go to drink something. สวัสดีครับอ๋อนุ่นน้ำเปล่าเย็นน้ำเปล่าเย็นใช่ครับขอบคุณครับเท่าไรครับ10 บาทค่ะ10 บาทโอเค1 second ขอบคุณครับขอบคุณค่ะ I did buy a small bottle of water. น้ำเปล่า น้ำเปล่า is mean water, and yen it mean cold. So a cold bottle of water, น้ำเปล่า yen, and it costs 10 baht. That is about 30 cent of US dollar, something like this. Can you see the squirrel? So nice. The squirrels here are a little bit different than the squirrel that I saw in London. They have a different form of the face, I think. Hello, squirrel. What is eating? Do you see? They put here the little pieces of guava for the squirrel, and the guava is that fruit that the local people call falang, and falang is also the white people from Europe and Western, the Western people. Yeah, at evening time many people come here to run or to go by bicycle. You see, it's this guy that led the pieces of fruit on the tree for the squirrel. Nice guy. Hello. It's for the squirrel, right? It's for the little animal. Squirrel. Yeah. Direttamente dalla mano. Directly from the hand. Kapunka. At 6 o'clock there is the national song, and everyone have to stand up, don't move, listen the song. You see, even the people that are jogging, they have to stop. It's almost finished. You see? And then they start again to run. Every day, everywhere, at 6 o'clock, they start with a national song and everyone have to stop. That's it. Of course, if you ride a car or a motorbike in a traffic jam or on the road, you don't have to stop and you can keep to going. Or generally, yeah, in the city they keep going. But here in the park or in the Chatuchak market is always like this. At 6 o'clock there is the national song and everyone has to stop whatever they do and just stop, listen to the song for about a few seconds and then they can start again. And that song that you hear it's the whole Thai national song. So I think it's pretty short if you compare it with, for example, the Italian national song or other national songs. And yeah, it's pretty short, but it's good. It's good because if they have to listen every day at 6 o'clock, it's better if it's short, right? And here in the SUAN ROT FAI park there is also a butterfly garden and insectarium, but now of course it's closed because of the virus. And now I take you here in the parks. The name is SUAN SIRIKIT, the first one, and the other one SUAN ROT FAI, that are two parks connected where the people can come to run, to jogging, and for ride bicycle and whatever, relaxing in the nature because it's pretty green. There are pretty green, and yeah, it's nice. Take you around here to take a look. Sorry, I don't have fruit. And this is the reason because this park is called SUAN ROT FAI. ROT FAI, it means train. And inside of the park there is this old train, so it's called SUAN ROT FAI Park.
น้ำแดงนะคะ มีน้ำแดงกับน้ำเขียวรับน้ำอะไรคะได้ค่ะใส่ได้3 อย่างค่ะลูกค้าไม่ต้องหวานมากนะครับตอนรับกี่คันคะ2 ครับได้ทั้งหมดเท่าไหร่20 ครับ
Mi sono preso una grattachecca qui al parco SUAN ROT FAI. ROT FAI vuol dire treno. Questa infatti è una carrozza del treno, questa è quella vecchia, ma di là ce n'è una più nuova. E mi sono preso questa grattachecca alla Amarena, credo Amarena, sì. Adesso la vado a provare. Mi sono appoggiato un attimo qui su questa roccia, così posso con una mano riprendere e con l'altra mangiare la grattachecca. Ghiaccio con sciroppo di Amarena e poi ci hanno messo anche il solito sciroppo bianco, che è una specie di latte condensato molto dolce. Qui in quasi tutti i dolci c'è questo sciroppo di latte condensato. So this one was the SUAN ROT FAI park. I hope you enjoy it, and let me one like and subscribe the channel, and let me also a comment if you want, and see you next time. Bye bye.